This year, the S Pen may surprise you with the most advanced inbuilt selfie camera on the 10th anniversary of the Galaxy Note devices. For the first time, Samsung is on track to produce at least 2 variants of Galaxy Note 10 and ditch the headphone jack forever. This is Stuffbox, and this is a full preview of the next flagship smartphone from Samsung, that is, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So let us begin. Samsung uses its Galaxy Note line to show off the best it has to offer, making it a consistently great choice for power users. Not only that, it's still one of the only smartphone options if you want a built-in stylus experience. In 2019, we're expecting Samsung to continue this legacy with the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Ever since the first Galaxy Note was released in 2011, there's only been one version of the phone released at a given time. This year, however, Samsung might be looking to shake things up. According to a report from ET News, Samsung is planning on releasing as many as 4 different models of the Note 10. This includes a Note 10 with a 6.3-inch, a Note 10 Plus with a 6.75-inch screen, and a 5G variation of each. This would be one of the biggest changes we've ever seen to the Galaxy Note's release formula, but if it worked well for the Galaxy S10, which also got 4 models, it would make sense for Samsung to bring that over to the Note 10. The 10th anniversary Galaxy Note might be the one where Samsung finally kills the headphone jack for the phablet line. For the selfie camera, Samsung may turn to a patent discovered by Android Police for the Note 10, where the camera is inside the S Pen stylus. This would enable a true all-screen experience without the need for a pop-up camera. That's not all. The long shape of the S Pen may also make it the perfect place to hide an optical zoom lens. Being able to squeeze an optical zoom into the S Pen would be a real win for Samsung, but we imagine it wouldn't be a simple goal to accomplish. We figured that we would see familiar tech in the Galaxy Note 10. The Galaxy S10 has Samsung's Exynos 9820 chip in Europe and some other places, and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 in the US and certain other territories. But with the announcement of the overclocked Snapdragon 855 Plus for later this year, that seems like an ideal fit for the Note 10. Time will tell on that front. And with Galaxy S10 Plus RAM ranging between 8 and 12 GB depending on model, that's probably a fair target to expect from the Note 10 as well. The Galaxy Note 10 will almost certainly be a powerhouse, as it's designed for productivity and media, but the official specification is still a mystery. There are rumors the Note 10 range will see a boost in battery size and charging speed. The cell capacity may increase to 4500 mAh on the so-called Pro edition, while this rumor states the Note 10's charging speed will be a significant upgrade. Previous rumors say the device will charge at 25 watts, which is much faster than the Galaxy S10's 18 watts. Based on the leaked renders and previous reports, it appears that the Galaxy Note 10 Pro will have 4 back cameras, while the smaller Note 10 will stick to 3. The Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, and S10 5G all pack a 12-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 16MP ultra-wide lens, and a 12MP telephoto lens. And then the S10 5G adds a time-of-flight sensor for depth mapping to enhanced augmented reality applications. If that bonus sensor signals a future ambition for Samsung, then we could well see it on more and more of its premium handsets ahead. Leaker Ice Universe suggests that Samsung will adopt a 3-stop aperture system, evolving the feature from the variable aperture seen with the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy models since. It will reportedly have a new f1.8 stop between the previous f1.5 and f2.4 settings, perhaps offering even more nuance in delivering the ideal balance between light and detail. journalist Roland Quaint suggests that the 6.3-inch Note 10 will land at €999, about $1,000, while the 6.7-inch Note 10 Plus will weigh in at €1,149, about $1,200. We could see the actual UK prices jump up a bit higher than that. Maybe it makes sense to keep the smaller Note 10 at the same price as last year and try to command more cash for the new XL edition. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will launch on August 7th at a Galaxy Unpacked event in New York. Last year's Note 9 made it to store shelves just 15 days after its August 9 unveiling. Let's hope this year's model enjoys a similarly snappy turnaround. This launch date would place the Note 10 as a direct rival to the iPhone 11 and the Mate 30, and it will have to be a special device to take on those big-name competitors. So, this was the full preview of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. How excited you are for the next Note? Will you buy it or not? Do you think it will be better than the iPhone 11? Let me know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this video. For more cool stuff like this, subscribe to Stuffbox and please press the bell icon if you haven't. More cool stuff is coming on the channel, just stay tuned. S-Link.